Looking for the perfect gift? Look no further than Sammy Soap, where we support local artists and make all natural soaps and products. No artificial anything. Makers unite. Emollients, essential oils, and gift boxes. Santa approved for everyone on your list. Thanks for shopping local.
Oh, that's fun. I like that.
Give differently, change lives with Sammy Soap.